Kani gadega Patisi TV.
Kajian lang jangka kunhun menteri jangka Sorkar jela MUA2 kabalalong nen gasngi ka santre ujeleo kalarai ban pentre kamno ek state road safety policy ban penduna ki jingjai tengkho kali Haka jela u menteri badai pej ekatnat transport u ba HDR lingdo uloong bagni ka policy kalong ban penduna ya ki jingjai tengkho kali bat ka Sorkar kala shimkhiai gilat kilenti ban chnai ki surok kan long Haka rukam ka bapaka Kawai pat kamat kabaka kunhun menteri kalarai Haka jingalang kabalalong nen gasngi kalong ban khot Pynlong ya ka Dorbar ka Kyrpang Haka khat atrik ujeleo ban penkala no ya ka Meghalaya draft goods and service tax Halor kanie na kalyang u menteri rangba ka jela Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bala pha jingtho shaulat ka jela bat kumchu shau shong kunor ka yeng Dorbar thawan ban Pynlong ya ka Dorbar Kyrpang.
We needed the constitutional amendment. And this constitutional amendment has already been given effect. And after this constitutional amendment was ratified by all the states as required, then now the need to actually come up with the necessary legislative exercise by all concerned, which includes the union government and the states. So most of the states have already, almost all the states have done it. Now Meghalaya is doing it. So we are coming up with this GST bill, which is formulated after a long-run discussion involving all the states and the union government at the GST Council. Discussion at the GST Council, it has been unanimously decided that we will ensure the timeline of making GST effective in the nation by the 1st of July. So that's the idea.
Kani gadega Patisi TV.